How to see who liked you on PoF dating app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll show you how you can find out whom you have liked on the Plenty of Fish dating app. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to find out the list of people whom you have liked on Plenty of Fish dating app, what you have to do is first of all just go ahead and launch a Plenty of Fish dating app over here. And then once you do so, from the bottom you'll be able to see multiple type of icons where you have to basically tap on this little heart like icon which you see. So basically the number is also based on the amount of people who have liked you on PoF. So when you tap on it, you'll be able to see a list of people who has actually liked you. But the only downside here is that you have to upgrade to premium, because if you don't upgrade to premium, you will not be able to see the full list of people. So right over here you can see 12 months for $10 a month and total $119.99, which is of course $120. And then you have 3 months for $20 or 1 month for $29.99. Now depending upon this value, I really think that the 12 months is actually the best deal. So if you think that is convenient for you, just tap on the select option over here. You can upgrade your plan to premium by just paying with PayPal or paying with a credit or debit card or whatever else that you have. Once you subscribe to the premium version, you should be able to come back, and currently you can see all of these are basically blurred, right? But after you've upgraded to premium, you'll be able to see a list of people who have liked you on PoF. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then find out who have liked you on Plenty of Fish dating app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.